morning and welcome to the Stock Planner channel. Just a quick morning review in preparation for my trading day. Part of my trading day, I'll be out shopping, so won't be at the computer. So it's important to make my plans now. I'll probably be trading from my cell phone. Looks like the big boys dragged the market down a bit yesterday. Apple, Microsoft, Google, Amazon, rest of it looks green. Energy, financial, industrials all green. Technology, not so good, but not bad. Dow Jones seems to be down a little bit this morning. All the other futures are looking green. Looking at the NASDAQ 100, on the 2-hour candle, things looking to be trending up. I think the market will open this morning. Everything is green here, including the Dow. Anyway, ZIG is looking like it's going to go up. Wow. That's the rut. That's the Dow. Last 6 hours, it looks like it's coming down a bit, but I believe it's waiting for the U.S. to open the jobs report at 8:30, and after that, we're going to swing up. Everything looks good here. Each night I run a routine and we get a report. This is the report. And run against my database of 180 stocks and try to give me signals on the RSI, which is one of my favorites, and the MACD, and they work great with the zigzag indicators. These are the stocks that the zigzag has changed recently, and you can take a look at those. And then these are the stocks that have went above its 50-day moving average and below it, which are typically a bullish or bearish sign. This is a newly added thing. If one of these things here are on my list of true stocks, it'll show up here. True stocks are stocks that once I get a signal, they stay true for 30 days, 30 bars or 45 days. In other words, if we get a buy signal, the price will close above the buy signal 30 bars out or 45 days. Taking a closer look at CRSP, you have a RSI buy. The zigzag had a regime change. It's 2 bars after. We get a buy signal here. This is worth taking a look at. And by the way, this has bounced off its 200-day moving average. That's normally a sign of support, and this looked good. CRSP looks good for a buy. I already have a position in KTOS, established yesterday, BIDU, and LAC, established yesterday. Lithium, I do not have a position in. And for the same reasons, this looks like a buy here. Zigzag has changed. MACD is pointing upward, and the RSI, it says, "Hey, take a trade." Next one I want to look at is TDOC. Nice long downtrend, a zag, and now looks like we might have a zig. RSI crossed above, but hey, it went back below. So you might think that's as bad. I'm thinking this is, especially since the market looks like it's going to go positive today, I don't have a problem with this. Zigzag is saying, hey, go up. Looks like our momentum is starting to swing to the green side. I always like this stock, and so because it gives me nice singles, nice long singles, and so I'm going to put this on my list. CRSP, TDOC is on my list. NVDA, it's been zagging, and now it might be zigging. The zigzag indicator waited 2 bars, and now maybe zigzag is right. The RSI went green, and the MACD went green, and the RSI is saying it's going to go up. So I think it's a buy here, especially since the market seems to look like it's going to go open higher. The last stock I'd like to look at is Marvel. Momentum seems to be going up. We have a zigzag here, it's a fractal, and the zigzag has changed. RSI looks like it says go up, and there's an MACD even 2 bars back. Technicals look good on this one. Marvel. Quickly going through my list of stocks. This is ZS. Zigzag has went long. KTOS, I bought it yesterday. Looking good for me this morning. BIDU, I think it's going to look good for me this morning. Zigzag has went long. RSI went long. CRSP going long. Zigzag went long for crowdsource, right? This is a 4X, but that's looking good this morning. Bought this yesterday at the lithium stock, EV stock. Zigzag saying's going. I don't need any more lithium, but this is looking good this morning. LULU looks like it's ready to pop. MITK. By the way, I bought LULU either yesterday or the day before. In MITK, I bought it yesterday. This looks like a good stock that looks like it's ready to go. Marvel, as we just talked about, it looks like it's ready to go. NEO, I'm hoping it's ready to go because I still have a losing position. NVDA, I've been skipping over these the last couple days, and because I don't know much about this stock, but that looks like it's ready to go as well. I'd have to find out more about this stock. It's one of the stocks on my list that I've never traded before. And same with this one. Zigzag yesterday said it's going to go. It didn't go, but I believe it's going to go today. Momentum is up. PayPal, I'm going to have a position in it. I'd like to get a position in this today. Telsa, I don't know about Telsa, but it looks like it's ready to go a little bit higher today. And Zoom. Nice long swing down. Now it's looking like it's reversing regime change. Zigzag says go. RSI says go. Momentum says go. Anyway, this is a list of stocks I'm going to look seriously at. CRSP, TDOC, NVIDIA, and Marvel. Looks like Costco and Boeing might be two stocks that are in the news. I work for Boeing, so I love it. And Costco is on my top 40 list. Boeing is as well. As I just said a minute ago, I'm interested in this morning. CRSP, TDOC, NVIDIA, and Marvel. This is CRSP. It has a buy rating, target of 168. It's currently trading at 124. Lots to go. TDOC, currently trading at 184. Target price at 261. Buy. Lots of room. NVIDIA, a 5G Internet of Things stock, currently trading at $500. Target of 650. Love it. Strong buy. The last one is Marvel. Marvel currently trading at 43, going to 55. Strong buy, and I like it. So I hope this helps. This is how I do my due diligence in the morning. Oh, by the way, I want to show you my open and close stocks. Sorry about that. Before I summarize everything, I track my stocks in a tracker that I wrote in Google Sheets. The reason why I wrote it is because some of the portfolio trackers don't allow you to do shorts. They're very simple. And then I filter the stocks for the open that are open. There's a filter. It's very simple. Anyway, of the open trades, we have we are positive, and we almost have achieved our 6%. But that's 6% per quarter is what we're trying to achieve. Yesterday, I bought lithium, PayPal, and MITK. The day before, I went on a buying spree and bought several stocks. Let's see how we're doing. Positive, not too much loss. There's my NEO. It's still losing for me. And then this is based on the zigzag, whether the zigzag is going in the right direction. And I don't usually look at it for the first couple days. And it says I need to take action on Microsoft. It's got a small profit. Need to look at it. I'll look at it after this video. Things don't look too bad, other than this NEO. But now the direction is going in my favor. And if you remember, I showed you a picture of NEO. It's in an uptrend right now, so maybe it's coming back. I think it will. And this is the closed trades. Now the closed trades are for last week. So yesterday was the 10th. So let's put the 10th here and see if I closed anything out. I can just tell you I haven't. But this is how I do it. I filtered out for the week, and I'm going to close out some today, though, because I think it's going to be a up day, and I'm going to take some profit. Now, I want to summarize. I'm going to try to buy CRSP, TDOC, Nevada, Marvel. This is how I do my due diligence. I try to trade stocks that I know about. I have a listing of 180 stocks that I know a little bit about, and I try to stick with that subset or that domain or that basket. And then I have that domain and basket divided into different categories. I know the stocks that trade well with the RSI indicator, and I know the stocks that trade well with the MACD indicator. I know the stocks that I can use to trade options. So I've divided my domain into those different subsets of which I know something about and back tested them. But anyway, this is what I'm going to do today. This is my due diligence. And please like and subscribe. Put in the comments how you do your due diligence. I'll be curious. And I'll be curious if this kind of video is helping. Happy trading. Good luck.